Cade here. I've got a question on my YouTube page about Adam's clasp, and what they asked was the angulation of this bridge. It's always almost more than 45 degrees. It's almost perpendicular to the tooth. I assume she means like that. Uh, and how to correct that? With your goal needs to be here, this angle. Not here, although I've seen it and they still work. I've seen it like that, but 45 is the ideal. So the key bend for this is right here. Hope you can see that. Hold off some of the stuff so you can see better. But like I said, your key bend is right here. That changes the angulation of your bridge. So the more you bend it down, the more perpendicular your Adam's clasp is going to be. So as you go across the marginal ridge, back and front, check that bend, because that will definitely determine the angle of that bridge. Okay? And we do this other side. While I have your attention, okay. Now this might not have been a very good example, but because there's no teeth on either side of this, maybe I can shoot another video on with normal teeth. See how that's almost perpendicular. So if I want to, let's say, raise this bridge or increase the angle of it, instead of, see how if I want it more perpendicular, I would make this bend right here more. Maybe you can see if I do like this. So there you go. So if I want to decrease it, I change that bend. And you see how the angle's closer to the tooth. Alright. Just always keep an eye on your bridge, your angle there over your tooth, as you continue to adapt the wire and the pallet. Okay, then you finish as you normally would. Now put the other one on here, and you can kind of see the difference. This bridge is more closer to the tooth, more parallel to the tooth than perpendicular, and that's about where I want it. So if you'll move your, if I put my finger on it, if you move your Adam's clasp, you can see that you'll need to bend this angle. Get a second to point at it. This angle more. So what I'm going to do here quickly is just bend those down. I got the angle where I want it, and all it took was messing with this bend. Sometimes you'll have to widen out this bend down here to change your angle, but I mainly change my bridge angle using this bend and this bend. So hope that helps, and I'll see you next time.
Be sure and click that subscribe button to not miss any more episodes, and go to designerretainer.com for this and other Ortho Lab topics. Thanks.